Welcome back to channel everybody. I hope you're doing good, and in these hard times we should accept that we all fear C-19, or I should state it like we all care. Yes, we all want to prevent our families and friends from this pandemic. The government of India has come up with an application, Aarogya Setu, which we covered up in the tech update last time as well, so you can check out the tech update. I'm going to link it somewhere here or there. So why don't we just talk more about this application, Aarogya Setu, a mobile app developed by the Ministry of Electronics and IT to help citizens identify the risk of contracting the novel coronavirus, and it has notched more than 10 million downloads since its launch few days back only. To talk about the application is available on Play Store as well as Apple Store. The application is available in 11 languages and helps to inform you if you've crossed paths with someone who has been tested positive for the C-19. So the app uses Bluetooth, and your location services to provide you this information. So it also has a tool for self-testing, like it asks you a question that you answer and you get to know that do you have any of the symptoms of C-19 or not. Also, if you feel that your answers suggest some C-19 symptoms, the information will be directly sent to the government server. The data will help the government to take timely steps and initiate isolation procedure for you if necessary, but you won't get any if you are doing good. Also, you will be alerted if you have come close to some unknown that tests positive unknowingly, like I don't want, but I went somewhere to buy something essential goods and there is someone who has been tested positive, so it will alert me that there is a person that is positive. So it is also have an instructions on how to self-isolate yourself and what to do in case you develop some minor symptoms. Also, the privacy policy exactly says that the data is shared only with the government. It is not going to be sold. It is all going to be with the government only. The app doesn't allow your name and number to be publicly disclosed as well. So if you want to use this, you can use it very simply. So after you run the application, you have to allow access to the drive location and allow Bluetooth connectivity. It will request you to turn Bluetooth for all time on, but you can do it like when you are at home, you can turn Bluetooth off and turn it on when you are going out. But I request not to go out in this pandemic and stay safe at your homes. After all this, you will get an OTP, you will enter it and you are on. You have to then choose your gender from the options, enter full name, age, profession, and few details. If necessary you have to fill, if not necessary you just click on the next. Also, you will be asked about your foreign travel history for last 30 days. So like in last 30 days, if you have gone somewhere foreign travel history, or local travel is, you can fill it out. Also, you can give the appropriate answer based on your choices. It has some basic questions. So you will be tested out with the given information about the ICMR database that will help you that if you moved somewhere or traveled and there was some person who has tested positive moved alongside you. So also the app lets you know that if you want to volunteer to the time of needs. So like you want to volunteer yourself, like you want to give her information or not. Assuming your answer, a 20-second assessment test starts. So it's just 20 seconds, not a bigger test. So after you have installed the app, it will detect your nearby smartphone that has the app installed. It can then figure out the risk of infection, and based on sophisticated parameters and artificial intelligence, so it will let you know and alert you. So it is just something that's more helpful when you move out. The basics of the calculation are Bluetooth, algorithm, artificial intelligence that interact with other smartphones and let you know if some person alerts. Also, it is quite helpful if you have to for some reason move outside. But if you're in your home, you can just download and get latest updates about C-19, the news that's accurate. So with this, I think you're able to use the application and help protect your family and care about your family from COVID-19. Yes, we all care. Thank you very much for watching. You can check out the channel for other videos related to technology. There are a lot. So smash the like button, comment if you feel any difficulty with the usage of application. You can also go to the help forum and feedback forum of the application. Also, you will be glad to know that this app is now trending #1 in health and fitness under the Apple App Store. If you're an Apple user, just go there and see that it's the most trending and most downloaded app that you need for your health in this pandemic situation. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.